All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Friday idiom. So keep a stiff upper lip. A stiff upper lip here. Yeah. Yeah. To be strong and not complain about something. Yeah. To be strong about something. Yeah. Because if you haven't got a stiff upper lip, you might start to cry. Yeah. But with a stiff upper lip, problems just bounce off me. Yeah. Yes, I need to keep a stiff upper lip in these hard times. Yes. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. We kept a stiff upper lip back then. We had to. We needed a stiff upper lip because that kept us going. Yeah. By keeping a stiff upper lip, we can endure any hardship. Yes, quite important. Yeah. That was a time when having a stiff upper lip was vital. Vital. Very important. Yes. Those stiff upper lips kept us going through hard times. Yeah. All we could do was keep a stiff upper lip. We did not have much else to help us keep going. Yeah. Our own endurance. Yes. How cool is that, language explorers? So, a stiff upper lip. Now, can you use that idiom in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy by searching English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.